How to disable Snapchat calls. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Bastant, and today I'll guide you on how you can disable Snapchat calls. Now to disable Snapchat calls, what you can do is you can simply turn off the notification, as there is no any proper way to disable the Snapchat calls. The first thing what you can do is, if you just wanna disable a call from specific someone, you just wanna ignore someone's call, then you can simply open up Snapchat, head into chats and open up the profile, or just open up the chat here of the person that you are trying to ignore. Now suppose here I want to ignore this user's call, right? This right here on the screen. You want to tap and hold on their username there, and then you want to tap on the chat settings option, and you can see their message notifications. You want to disable it. So this is the way you can disable a particular someone's Snapchat call. The other way, if you just want to ignore everybody's call, and is you want to head into your device settings. Under settings, you can head into apps. I'll just open up apps. Under apps, you want to head into Snapchat. You want to search in for Snapchat and open it up, and once you open it up, you can see notifications, and you can simply disable these notifications. You want to get notifications for the calls as well as messages as well. So this is the way you can disable Snapchat calls. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.